Hey everyone, I'm so glad that you made it here, and I'm so excited to share my short term rental journey with you guys. It wasn't long ago when I was at my 9 to 5 job, and I remember thinking to myself, I want something more out of this life, and became that through Airbnb. I then dove headfirst into the short term rental game, and wow, what a ride it's been. In just 2 short years, I've created a thriving business with 12 properties and a whopping revenue of over $762,000. But the best part, now I get to help folks like you make your own way to success. Let's talk about rental arbitrage. It's a really cool concept, and it's going to get your foot in the door in the short-term rental industry. Imagine this. You rent a place from someone else, then you host it on Airbnb. The money that you make from your Airbnb guests, that's your profit. The best thing about this is you don't need to own any property. You just need a landlord to convince and say yes. Alright, now let's talk about something I'm super excited to share with you guys. It's our unique free bundle. What this includes is a furnishing list, an inventory restock checklist, and a cleaner checklist. It's like having your very own operations all in one place. I mean, who doesn't love free stuff, right? Let's take a closer look at our furnishing and inventory checklist that you'd be getting for free. It's like your personal shopping assistant for setting up your Airbnb. It covers all the essentials that you need to make your place feel like a home away from home. And trust me, guys, all your Airbnb guests will thank you for this, and it encourages them to book with you again. Moving on to our cleaner checklist, guys, I can't stress how important it is for the cleanliness in this business. This checklist covers everything your cleaner needs to do to make sure your property is spotless and inviting for your next guest. You want those 5-star reviews and cleanliness ratings, and this checklist is going to help you get them. So guys, are you feeling ready to kick things up a notch? That's where my comprehensive video course and a one-on-one mentorship steps in. This course is like a jam-packed suitcase of everything I've learned in my Airbnb journey. It is as if I downloaded all the wisdom from my brain and packed it into this course just for you. What is the aim? You sidestep those pitfalls I tripped into and speed your way to success. And you know what's even better? With the one-on-one mentorship, I'll be there to guide you personally, offering customized advice and solutions tailored to your specific short-term rental journey. It's like having your own personal navigator, and you explore the exciting world of short-term rentals. And now it's your turn, guys. I'm pumped to see you join us on this remarkable journey towards financial freedom using short-term rentals. Imagine breaking free from your 9 to 5 and becoming your own boss. I truly believe that you have what it takes, and we can't wait to see you thrive in this exciting world of opportunities in the short-term rental industry.